A Lagos High Court sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square on Tuesday continued the trial of Chidinma Ojukwu, who was alleged to have killed the Chief Executive Officer of Super TV, Usifo Ataga. Ojukwu, an undergraduate of the University of Lagos at KOKO, was arraigned alongside Adedapo Quadri and Chioma Egbuchu on October 12, 2021, on 9 counts over the alleged murder of Ataga. The court resumed watching the recorded video footage showing the confessional statement of Ojukwu before Justice Yetunde Adesonya. In the video, she said she did not know who killed the deceased as she had gone out on the day of the incident. She said she saw Ataga on the floor when she came back and immediately packed her property and left because she was scared. On the last adjourned date on October 11, 2022, the video recording was played showing the lifeless body of Ataga. A part of the video had also shown Ojukwu's confession where she said she killed the deceased on her own. In the video played on Tuesday, Ojukwu was asked why she denied knowing the deceased during interrogation. She said she did not deny knowing him, but she did not kill him. Ojukwu said, She said she couldn't call for help when she saw him in a pool of blood because she was scared, noting that she also picked the deceased 2 iPhones and MacBook which were among her things before she left. She further said the deceased ordered the loud smoke and rationale. The prosecutor, Yusuf Sule, called the 9th witness, DSP Olusegun, who explained how the handwritten statement of the first defendant was taken and how other defendants were arrested. Bamidele said, Bamidele said one Yomi confirmed that there was a transaction between his colleague and Ojukwu over the laptop. He said, The witness said 4 other phones were recovered from the second defendant, who explained how he met Chidinma Ojukwu. Bamidele also said the second defendant disclosed how Ojukwu had asked him to procure loud smoke and refinol for a number of times which he delivered to Lekki. The witness said the third defendant was arrested through the help of the foster father of Chidinma Ojukwu and their uncle Obi alongside their mother. The case was adjourned till October 20 for continuation of trial. Do you think she is telling the truth?